Volkswagen Golf SportWagen service call. Volkswagen AG, known internationally as the Volkswagen Group, is a German multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Wolfsburg, Lower Saxony, Germany. Are you looking for a Volkswagen Golf SportWagen service call? When you need a quality auto mechanic fast, you can trust an auto helper's expert to provide you with professional, friendly, and quality service. Servicing a Volkswagen Golf SportWagen involves routine maintenance and occasional repairs to keep the vehicle in good working condition. Regular maintenance helps ensure the car's reliability and performance. Here are some common service tasks for a Volkswagen Golf SportWagen. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine running smoothly. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil type and change intervals. Tire rotation and balance. Rotating and balancing the tires helps ensure even tire wear and a smoother ride. Brake inspection and service. Regular brake inspections are important for safety. Replace brake pads and rotors as needed. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off all essential fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter to ensure proper air intake and engine performance. Cabin air filter replacement. Replacing the cabin air filter helps maintain air quality inside the vehicle's interior. Battery inspection and replacement. Check the battery for corrosion and replace it when necessary. Transmission service. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for transmission fluid changes and servicing to extend the life of the transmission. Coolant system service. Periodic coolant system service helps prevent overheating and extends the life of the engine. Tire replacement. Replace tires when they are worn beyond the recommended tread depth. Wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment ensures that the vehicle drives straight and evenly wears the tires. Suspension and steering inspection. Regularly inspect the suspension and steering components for wear and damage. Exhaust system inspection. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and damage, and repair or replace components as necessary. Electrical system inspection. Check the electrical system, including lights, fuses, and wiring, to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check engine light diagnosis. If the check engine light comes on, have the vehicle diagnosed to identify and address any issues. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for additional services and inspections. Safety system inspections. Ensure that safety systems like airbags and ABS brakes are functioning correctly. Climate control system service. Maintain the HVAC system for proper heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It's essential to consult your vehicle's owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for your specific model and year of the Volkswagen Golf SportWagen. Additionally, consider having maintenance and repairs performed by a certified Volkswagen service center or a qualified mechanic familiar with Volkswagen vehicles to ensure that your car receives the best care possible.